Hi everyone, I'm Andreia from Portugal and I decided it was time to improve my smile. For that, I chose Straight and Direct and I want to share my journey with all of you. I'm very excited because today I just received my smile box.
So after I sent back my impressions, I received like an evolution plan. When I received a plan, I just thought, whoa, how will be possible this big evolution? So then you can understand that you will have like a lot of aligners, so you can understand with the plan that your each aligner will be a little different, so you can understand the big evolution that you will have. And in the beginning I just thought, oh my god, how is possible in just 9 months? And in the beginning I thought, really, this will be possible? So my first aligners came on this box, and I had my first 4 aligners. I start on 1A and I use each aligners for 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks you can change your aligners. So when I start 1A, I feel like really straight again my teeth. Okay, so in the first day was like it's not difficult, it's just strain for you because you can feel like something always trying to fit your teeth. And this is the first day. In the next 2 weeks I change for the 1B, and then, well, in the first month maybe you can feel that you are using something new in your mouth, but now I'm in 2B and I can send you with all the certainty that I cannot understand the different. I don't recognize that I have something strange in my mouth. One of the most important things that I feel is being like a doctor with me but without me. So in the beginning, in the first week, I feel some ulcers in my mouth, and I just text my orthodontist. So what happened, that was the dentist just text me really fast saying, okay, you can use this cream, this is normal, so in some days you will be better. And for me it's important, for example, because I work every day, so when I go home like 9 or 10, doesn't matter, I can text the dentist and the dentist will answer me at night, for example. For me this is important because I can feel something in my mouth, but I know that I have like a dentist with me, just text and the dentist will answer me back. In this week I receive my second package of aligners. I receive 4 months of aligners. Okay, so now I will show you my 5 first months of treatment. This was my first aligner during 2 weeks, and this was my first month, the second one, third one, fourth one, and the 5 month of treatments. I will show you how they look and how I can put my aligners. So the first one, the upper one, it's done, and this is the other one. So this is the difference between my first aligner 1A and my half treatment aligner, that is 5B. This is the same for my upper teeth, and this shows my progress of my upper teeth. Now I will show you a close one, and you can see that they are really transparent and invisible. Other really important thing for me is the treatment payment that you can choose. I'm a working student, so I choose pay some installments during 8 months. Okay, and without credit bureaucracies or these questions. So this is other really important thing for me. So now I cannot wait to show you my final transformation.